Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today we are checking out the Wyze Palm Lock Smart Door Lock, a next generation smart lock that brings advanced security and convenience with palm vein recognition technology. This lock stands out because of its contactless palm vein recognition system. Instead of using fingerprints, it scans the unique vein pattern inside your palm, which is much harder to copy and works even if your hands are wet or dirty. Just hover your hand and the door unlocks instantly. It also supports multiple entry methods including keypad codes, mobile app control, voice assistants like Alexa and Google, and even a traditional mechanical key. This gives you flexibility in how you access your home depending on the situation. One of the highlights is the dual battery system. The main battery lasts up to 6 months, and there's a backup battery that keeps the lock running for up to 2 weeks while you recharge the main one, so you never get locked out unexpectedly. The lock includes auto lock functionality, which automatically locks your door once it's closed using built-in sensors. You can also control and monitor the lock remotely through Wi-Fi using the Wyze app, making it easy to manage access even when you're away. In terms of security, it features encrypted local storage for biometric data, anti-peep keypad protection, and alerts for suspicious activity. It's also BHMA certified and IP53 weather resistant, meaning it's built to handle real-world conditions reliably. Overall, the Wyze Palm Lock is a smart, secure, and futuristic solution for home entry. With advanced biometrics, multiple unlock options, and strong safety features, it's a great upgrade for anyone looking to modernize their home security. Thank you. See you in next video.